2009 Toyota Tacoma double cab 4-wheel drive. This vehicle features the following equipment, not specified: 6-sill, 4WD air conditioning, vanity mirrors, cruise control, side impact door beams, removable tailgate, vehicle stability assist, tire pressure monitor, backup camera, EBD electronic brake disc, EBA emergency brake assist, power steering, power door locks, power windows, alloy wheels, clock, trip odometer, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, reclining seats, cloth upholstery, chrome bumper, step bumper, sliding rear window, bed liner, fog lights, trailer hitch, AM/FM stereo radio, adjustable headrests, telescoping steering wheel, bucket seats, auxiliary audio input, child safety locks, keyless entry, overhead console, head restraints, traction control system, anti-theft,